Here I have a bidet that I bought at Walmart. They were on sale. Right after COVID hit, these things came out very popular. And now that COVID is relaxed, they're on sale. I tried to put it in my master bathroom, but my master bathroom, you gotta take this toilet seat off, and my screws are, I got a low profile toilet by Kohler, and the screws don't want to come out. So I'm going to put it in my other bathroom. And the first thing you got to do is take the lid off, which I do have the lid off. And then you attach the bidet, and then you put the toilet seat back on. So that's what I have to do now. Now I have the toilet seat back on. The next step is disconnect the water line so I can connect the water lines that come with the unit. Now I have to tell you that I live out in the country, and I have hard water, and that's why the water looks like it does in this toilet. Also, I bought this toilet for $10 at a store that used to be up in Popper Bluff, but they closed, but they sold discounted items. This toilet came from Mexico, and that's why I got filler in it, because there was a crack. Now with the water shut off, I got the line disconnected that goes from here to the toilet. And you got this piece right here that connects to the toilet, but you have some plumber's tape that you want to put on everything, that way you don't have any leaks. They give you a couple of different plastic wrenches, which is really nice of them. Truthfully, it's no tools necessarily, except for take off the seat. And you're going to need a slot screwdriver and depending on your seat. But I got everything connected. Time to turn the water back on and check for leaks. And it works. They had these over in Italy, and I didn't really try them at the time, but since I tried them, and I really like them. It saves on toilet paper, and it makes you clean, squeaky clean. I hope y'all like this video. Please hit the subscribe button, and God bless.